Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Ghofran. I am happy you are here today. This is an A1 English listening practice lesson. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's lesson. Today's topic is the supermarket. I go to the supermarket every week. Sometimes I go with my mother, and sometimes I go by myself. I enjoy going there because I like looking at all the fresh food and different products. Before I leave home, I usually make a shopping list. A shopping list is very helpful because it reminds me of everything I need to buy. It also helps me save time and avoid buying things I don't need. When I arrive at the supermarket, I take shopping cart. If I only need a few things, I take a shopping basket instead. The supermarket is usually clean, bright, and well organized. Everything has its own place. So, it is easy to find what I need. I always start in the fruit and vegetable section. I enjoy looking at the colorful fruit. There are apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, strawberries, and watermelons. I usually buy bananas because they are healthy and easy to eat. I also like apples because they are fresh and crunchy. Next, I choose some vegetables. I often buy tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes, onions, carrots, lettuce, and peppers. Fresh vegetables are an important part of healthy meals. My mother uses them to prepare salads, soups, and many delicious dishes. After that, I walk to the bakery. The smell of a fresh bread is one of my favorite smells in the supermarket. Sometimes I buy fresh bread for breakfast. Sometimes I buy it for dinner. Warm bread tastes wonderful with cheese or soup. Then I visit the dairy section. Here I buy milk, yogurt, butter, and different kinds of cheese. These are foods that my family uses almost every day. I also buy eggs because they are simple, healthy, and perfect for breakfast. Sometimes I need rice, pasta, flour, or cooking oil. These products are in another section of the supermarket. I like checking the shelves carefully because there are many different brands. Sometimes one brand is cheaper than another. I always compare the prices before I choose. Saving money is important. Many supermarkets also have special offers and discounts. When I see a good discount on something my family needs, I feel happy. It is nice to buy good products at a lower price. I also visit the drinks section. I usually buy water and fruit juice. Sometimes I buy tea because I enjoy drinking tea in the morning and in the evening. Sometimes I buy tea because I enjoy drinking tea in the morning and in the evening. I don't usually buy soft drinks because I prefer healthier choices. There is also a frozen food section. Sometimes people buy frozen vegetables or frozen chicken. These products are easy to keep at home for a long time. Before I finish shopping, I look at my shopping list one more time. I make sure I have everything I need. Then I go to the cashier. Sometimes there is a long line, so I wait patiently. The cashier scans each item and tells me the total price. I pay, take my receipt, and put everything into my shopping bags. I like using reusable shopping bags because they are better for the environment. When I arrive home, I help carry the bags into the kitchen. I put the milk, yogurt, cheese, and vegetables in the refrigerator. The rice, pasta, and other dry foods go into the cupboard. Everything is clean and ready for the next few days. I think shopping at the supermarket is an important part of everyday life. It helps us prepare healthy meals and keep our kitchen ready. I also think it is a good idea to buy only what we really need. This helps us save money and waste less food. Every time I visit the supermarket, I learn something new. Sometimes I discover a new fruit. Sometimes I try a different type of cheese or bread. Shopping can be simple, useful, and even enjoyable. Thank you for listening today. I hope this lesson helped you improve your English listening. Now I have a question for you. What do you usually buy when you go to the supermarket? Write your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Ghofran, and join me for more easy English listening lessons. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.